Hi folks, how are you? Here we are to discuss blockchain in a very simpler words. Basically, blockchain is a backend language. It's immutable, where once you enter the data, you cannot edit or delete it. So it's really very secure and transparent in that terms. That's what blockchain is. What is smart contract? Let's understand in simple words. Basically, smart contracts are the set of rules which only performs what written in them. So you cannot edit it or you cannot make it further needed. Like for example, if I'm saying Tilak Masrani, it will just take Tilak Masrani, that's it. That's what smart contract is. Let's discuss the burning question for the blockchain. What is the future of the blockchain? So in simple, you can say the blockchain is right now everywhere into the market. It's already connected with AI. It's already connected with lots of industries into the market, whether it is healthcare, whether it is finance, whether it is other technical stuffs. So blockchain has a really good goal into the future. So if you're thinking to come on toward the blockchain is best to go right now into the market.
From public to private and permission blockchains, our team masters them all. We design systems that remove single point control and make transparency the new default. Because in the world of data, trust is everything.
Why decentralized blockchain? Because the control should be over to the users, not to the systems. We develop decentralized application that solves real problem, does not chase the trends. Experience a technology which is secure, scalable, and built to empower the users, not control them.
Security isn't a phase, it's philosophy. We perform deep audit, detect vulnerabilities early, and launch with confidence. Prevention is always better than correction.
Blockchain is changing everything: finance, healthcare, supply chains, and even governance. The definition of data validation is drastically changing and transforming into the virtual and auto audit processes, as industries and government itself are moving at the very faster pace for the adoption. And we are right here, turning ideas into impact and possibilities into the structured processes. Let's meet up.